This tutorial will show you how to create a simple chain using Blender. Create a torus. Tab to edit mode. Select half of the torus. Press G plus X moves along the X-axis. Add an array modifier to the torus. Add curve path. Add a curve modifier to the torus and assign a path. S to scale path. Add an empty and use. It is an object offset for the torus array. Select the empty and rotate it 90 degrees on the X-axis. Increase the count in the array modifier to create more chain. Select the path, switch to edit mode, and press E to extrude. Apply Shade Smooth to smooth out the links. Choose the torus and apply a material. Add new camera. Apply an environment texture to the scene. Find a holographic background. In the scene, check the transparent option for the video clip to make the background invisible. To finalize, simply press F12 to render the image and generate the output. Thanks for watching, even though my English isn't perfect.